So magandang araw kabola. Sa video to kabola, mapag-usapan natin kabola is mga trade rumors po around the league kabola. And we have a big one between Ginebra sana at Sopong Converge kabola. And then of course, naging official na po ang isang importanteng rule kabola, matulong po sa future ng liga. Ano ba yung rule na rin kabola? Wala na pong iba. Kundi naging official na kabola, ano? Ito pong rule na bawal po i-trade yung number 1 pick kabola for 2 seasons kabola. So, di ba, may rumor to at the start, pero rumor lang pala yun kabola, ano ba? Pero naging official na po siya, and of course, again, respect to the PBA for doing this rule. Pero actually, di ba, kabola, ang pinaka dapat talaga masolusyonan para hindi na problemahin kung kailangan pa ng rule na ito or hindi kabola, is yun nga po mga farm team kabola. Pero hanggang ngayon nga hindi pa rin naman po na susolusyonan yan kabola, di ba? So that's the issue now kabola with this one, di ba? With this problem po kabola. Although this rule kabola should help kabola in trying to maintain some dignity in the league kabola. Now, sa usapang ratings kabola, Ginebra na naman po yung nanaig, of course. Ginebra TNT Game 7 kabola, yung number 1, and hindi naman nakakapagtaka yan kasi that's Ginebra kabola. And first TNT was gunning for that back-to-back championship kabola, so nakuha nila yung highest rating. Pero even the second one, it's Ginebra TNT again kabola, and then the third one kabola, it's again Ginebra TNT. So talaga makita mo kabola that this 49 season kabola, Ginebra TNT talaga yung talagang nagmahando dyan kabola. Pero of course, both times nanalo po yung TNT. Now kabola, of course, alam naman natin kabola na this shows din talaga yung heavy reliance po ng PBA currently sa popularity po ng Ginebra franchise. And of course, the hope is kabola one time or one day kabola na meron din po sanang lumapit sa popularity po ng Ginebra na team. Hinahype no ni Boss Omar sa ison itong Blackwater Elite kasi parang may victory na daw sila with the arrival of Dal Panopio, Christian David and Cedric Berfield there kabola. And they now have this Panopio, Berfield, David victory kabola. And for me naman, wala namang issue dun kabola. These three kabola are young kabola. And if, of course, Blackwater Elite can retain them for a number of years kabola, malamang they can really develop into something really good kabola. Pero alam naman natin kung anong realidad kabola regarding po sa Blackwater Elite. Although of course we are still hopeful, di ba? Na magkakatotoo yan, di ba? That they really become big three that we can talk of in the next 5 years at least, di ba kabola? I'm really high kabola, and of course David and Berfield. Although of course high on Panopio, pero mas sure ako kay David sa kay Berfield. Now kabola, ito pa lang si Magnolia at saka si Converge kabola. Converge saka si Ginebra kabola. May usapan, nag-usap pala ng isang trade. Should have been Maverick and Miso returning to Converge. I do believe na ang iniisip dito ng Converge, if they can trade for Ian Miso, they will not need na po to sign ito pong si Mikey Williams. Pero hindi nga po nangyari itong trade kabola. Nakakapagtaka bakit tumanggi ang Ginebra. The offer is good, di ba? For me, Pau a billionaire kabola, that's a big man, in a second round pick. For me, that's already a good deal for a player that you bench kabola. Diba? Binench siya ni Coach Tim Con, pero ang hinahanap daw pala ng Converge for Maverick, still first round pick daw. And for me, that's laughable kabola. Binench mo, tapos maghahanap ka ng first round pick kabola. Anong klase yun, diba? Kabola. Now, ito mong Magnolia Hotshots kabola, naghanap daw, or si Magnolia head coach L.A. Tenorio, gusto niya pong makuha or mapabalik si Stan Hardinger. Of course, alam naman natin kabola, alam niyo ng opinion ko sa Stan Hardinger, he is a top 5 center in the league kabola, and again, having a top 5 center in the league will really change the future of your franchise. And I think alam yan ni Coach L.A. Tenorio. Ang tanong dyan kabola is, mapabalik niya nga ba? I doubt it kabola. Mukhang talagang retirado na tayo. Kababal sa pagkimo, mabalik pa ba si Christian? Kami lang po, soba.